Like90 whiteout booth coating combined with Like90 clear view for lights and windows keeps your booth in top condition. Now your booth can look like new in less than 2 hours. With whiteout, there's no need to repaint your booth before applying it. However, you can get a nicer looking finish if you take a few minutes and nib the existing rough overspray from the walls with a 180 or 220 grit disc on a DA sander. If you have a washable booth coating installed, it must be completely removed and the booth completely dried before you apply whiteout. If you have recently repainted your booth, the new paint must be completely cured before you apply whiteout. Mask lights and windows before you spray the coating on. Large gaps and seams can be bridged with white vinyl tape if desired. Shake the container well before pouring the coating into your spray gun. Fill your spray gun and adjust the gun to its recommended settings. If you are using a previously opened container, you might need to strain the material. Set the booth temperature to 75 degrees and turn on the spray cycle. Apply a mist coat of whiteout to the entire booth and allow it to tack up. Next, apply 2 medium wet coats, 4 mils each. Complete the first coat before applying the second. If the booth air is running, you should be able to start the second coat right after the first one is completed. The total applied wet film thickness should be at least 8 mils. Clean your spray gun immediately with warm water. Remove the masking from the lights and windows. Once whiteout has dried, apply 1 medium wet coat of Clearview to the lights and windows. The overspray from Clearview will not affect the whiteout coating. Again, clean your spray gun immediately with water. In between maintenance cycles, you can overcoat the areas that receive the heaviest overspray with whiteout to refresh the booth. Lights and windows can be recoated with Clearview as often as necessary. Clearview peels best at ambient temperatures, so let the booth cool down after a bake cycle before peeling. Whiteout should be removed and reapplied every 6 months or 500 bake cycles.